Dr. Beth Kirkpatrick, the study's principal investigator, says this age demographic of 65 and older is what sets the state apart.
That's been something in all the coronavirus vaccine trials that people have struggled with, is making sure we're getting that age demographic, because that's really the age demographic at highest risk of getting sick.
32,000 participants nationwide have received both doses. Nearly 300 participants in Vermont were randomly assigned the shot or placebo and not told which one. But as Pfizer, Moderna, and J&J were cleared for use, they could find out.
Actually the first person in the state of Vermont to actually receive the first shot of the trial.
Chief Don Stevens will continue with the study for the full 2 years. Though not yet authorized, he says he still feels protected by the shot.
Efficacy rate of catching it was the less concerning of hospitalization and severe illness. So that's 100%. So that makes me feel really good.
While the country expects to have enough vaccine by mid-spring, Dr. Kirkpatrick says there's still a need for a fourth one, especially with new variants popping up.
Now, if the data that came out today from AstraZeneca is true, that means it's probably a little bit more efficacious than the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. So I think it's nice to have options.
Because it's inexpensive, easy to make and store, Dr. Kirkpatrick says it could become the most widely available vaccine in the world.
We're going to pretty rapidly move into the realization we need to vaccinate the whole planet.
Okay, we are having some problems with Jolie's mic, but let me read this because I know there are some concerns over what's going on in Europe. Dr. Kirkpatrick says she is aware of the concerns there, but she says the U.S. trial did not find an increased risk of blood clots from participants locally.